Hi guys, my name is Ata and today topic is what is web development. Today I will tell you about web development and its importance. Web development is the process of building and maintaining websites and web application. It involves the combination of skills including front and development, creating the user interface, user experience, UI and UX using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and framework like React and Angular. Back end development, building the server side logic, database integration and API connectivity using languages like Java, Python, Ruby and framework like Node.js and Django. Database management, designing, implementing and maintaining databases to store, retrieve data. Web design, creating the virtual aspects of website using layout, scheme, typography and graphics. Web security, ensuring the website is secure, protective against hacking and follow the best practices for data protection. Testing and debugging, identifying and fixing error, ensuring the website work as expected, deployment and maintenance, launching the website, monitoring performance and updating content. Web development involves various stages including planning and analysis, design and photograph typing, development and testing, launch and deployment, maintenance and updates. Web development can use various tools including text editors, integrated development, version control system, web framework and libraries, database management, MySQL and MongoDB. The goal of web development is to create a website or web application that is visually appealing, user friendly, fast and efficient, secure, scalable, accessible on various devices and browsers. Now we are going to know about the uses of web development. Web development has numerous uses across the various industries including e-commerce, online shopping platform, digital marketplace and retail websites, education, online courses, educational resources and learning management, healthcare, medical website, patient portals and telemedicine platform, finance, online banking, investment platforms and financial services website, entertainment, streaming process, online gaming platform and social media. Business, company website, intranets and business to business B2B platform. Government, official government website, public services and civic engagement platform. Non-profit, charity website, donation platform and awareness campaigns. Personal blogs, portfolios and personal website. Marketing, digital marketing experience, SEO and advertising platform. Web development enables the organization to establish an online presence, reach a global audience, provide information and resources, offer products and services, engage with customer and users, build brand awareness, drive business growth, improve communication and collaboration, enhance user experience, stay competitive in the digital age. In summary, web development is essential for creating online platforms that cater to diverse needs, industries and purposes, ultimately driving digital transformation and growth. The importance of web development lies in the ability to establish online presence, create a digital footprint for individuals and businesses and organizations, reach a global audience, connect with people worldwide, transcending geographical boundaries, provide information and resources, offer valuable content, services and product to others, drive business growth, generating leads and sales revenue through e-commerce and online marketing, improved user experience, create intuitive, interactive and engaging online experience, enhance brand awareness, build and maintains a strong online reputation and identity, facilitate communication and collaboration, enable real-time interaction and information sharing, support digital transformation, drive innovation, efficiency, competitiveness in various industries, create new opportunity, enable new businesses, models, careers and industries to emerge, improve accessibility, provide equally access to information, services and opportunity for all. In summary, web development plays a crucial role in today's digital age, enabling individuals, businesses, and organizations to establish a strong online presence, reach a wider audience, and drive growth and innovation. Enable new businesses, models, careers, and industries to emerge, provide equal access to information, services, and opportunity for all. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much.